This is the best Zot experience of all time.
Oh
Let's get this documented.
1, 2,
Is he gonna go?
3. No, you can't chew.
She chewed last time.
4. Are you rabid yet?
You gotta have them all at the same time.
5. Okay, you're about to beat your record.
Keep shoveling them.
Come on, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. I hope somebody walks by. Alright, 7, 7.
Your hair looks red in this video.
Okay, 7. Are you gonna blow a bubble?
I got on my hand. No, it's not on there.
Hey, come on. Oh, she's throwing up. Eight. No, you spit some out. That doesn't count.
Come on, put them at the same time.
Taylor just died. Oh, wait, 9? Yeah, that was 8.
Yeah, there's 3 left.
That was disgusting. I'm gonna throw up. That's really bleeding through that napkin.
Can't wipe your mouth.
I'm gonna call all the other people over here.
Yeah, one more.
Just so they can see how hot you are right now. Hey, everybody! It's okay. Eat it anyway. I don't think it's gonna be any worse than what's in your mouth right now. That was 10, but you spit out like 3. No idea what you're saying. There's meal.
Smile for the camera. Okay, everybody.
I'm gonna call. Neil.
Come this way.
Here comes Thomas. No! Here comes Thomas.
It seriously got in my eye.
What happened is, let's see how many Zots Julie can eat.
Oh gosh.
We did this in middle school. Are we redoing it?
We made a very disgusting video.
You done?
So
Are you done?
It's kind of like pop in your mouth.
Okay, let's document it.
Like
Okay,
a rabid dog.
Carolina, smile. Taylor. Molly. Molly.
Can I try an apple one?
I don't know how to
I
stop
don't
it.
know, they're not mine.